Welcome to chapter 6 from the book of Genesis. I have titled this chapter as Nephilim and Ark, Noah's Ark rather. The beginning of the chapter makes a reference to the sons of God taking human wives. The result of such union is humans are having very long lives. God declares that He will not let humans continue to lead such long lives and that they will live for not more than 170 years. So, such humans will be having a very limited lifespan, that is less than 170 years. We then see there is a reference to the Nephilim. Scholars believe that this reference is to the children that have come into existence because of the union of sons of God and the human wives that they have taken. Again, scholars believe that the sons of God are reference to the fallen angels. Just like there was a rebellion in the Garden of Eden in the form of Adam and Eve's disobedience, there seems to be a rebellion in heaven too, and God has punished them, banishing them out of heaven. The scripture does not explain or expound on the fallen angels and Nephilim in this chapter. Later in the chapter, we see God saw every thought of man was evil, and God regretted creating man, and God's heart was troubled. God decides to wipe off all of mankind along with the birds, animals, and all creatures. We see that Noah is the only person who has found favor in the eyes of the Lord. Noah gets a special mention stating that he was a righteous, blameless man and he walked faithfully with God in his ways, in God's ways. God informs Noah that he will be destroying the earth uh, through a flood. God informs Noah to build an ark which is 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. Two of each kind was to be kept in the ark with food for them and Noah's family. Two of every kind of creature will be kept alive in this ark. God makes a covenant with Noah, his wife, Noah's sons, and the wives of his sons. Towards the end of the chapter, we see that God confirms that all these animals, these pairs, will come to know Noah of their own accord. And this is how chapter number 6 ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's meet up again in the coming videos. May God bless and hope you have a good one. Bye bye.